Hey guys, back with another video. I have the Oneplus Nord CE here, and in this video I will be discussing how you can make this phone last longer, and also this will be applicable for any OnePlus phone. This phone comes with Oxygen OS 14, and obviously you can implement this in any phone which comes with the Oxygen OS. So you need to go to settings for this, and you will get a lot of options, but first you need to protect the battery of the phone for the longer life, and to protect that you need to come to this battery option. In the battery option you will get a lot of details like what is the battery, how it is going, but what you want to do is come to battery health and make sure you have enabled this stop charging at 80% option. Please note that smart charging is important, but stop charging at 80% here is more important than that. If you charge the phone till 80%, the battery will not wear and tear, and the cycles will be even longer, and your battery will be in a good condition for a long period of time. Also, there is an option of smart rapid charging, and I will recommend you to turn it off, because what it will do is it will make the battery heat up a lot if smart charging is enabled, and that can create a lot of pressure on the battery. Also, I will recommend you to go to more settings and enable this option sleep standby optimization, which will charge the battery with less power when you will be charging it all through the night. Also, you can optimize the battery use for the apps if you want. This is all about the battery life. Once you are done with this, we will also need to protect the buttons. The lesser the clicks, less damage you will do to the buttons, and obviously your phone will last for a long time. For this you need to enable some of the settings in the phone. So you need to come to settings again and come to home screen and lock screen. You need to enable this feature double tap to lock. What it will do is double tapping will lock the device and you don't need to use the buttons. And also you need to enable another option in there only, which is double tap to wake up or turn off screen. So what it will help you to do is you can double tap to close the device or lock the device, and also double tap to wake it up. You don't need to use these buttons. That will increase the life of the phone to a lot of extent. Also, to save the volume buttons, you can turn on the accessibility menu, and for that you need to click on this button, and definitely you will get the volume up and volume down option, which you can use in place of the buttons up there. And to turn this on, you need to again come to settings and the accessibility. So accessibility is under additional settings, and once you are in there, you just need to click on accessibility menu and turn this shortcut on. Once you turn this shortcut on, you will be ready to increase and decrease the volume in the phone, and obviously you will get the best of the phone and use this phone for a long time. That's it guys, I just wanted to show you how you can increase the life of your OnePlus Nord CE. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.